Wales scholar catches crash Dutch metro train. A train driver in the Netherlands has had lucky escape thanks to a fortunately placed at installation. A metro train is near the city of Rotterdam crashed through a barrier at the end of the track shortly before Mighty on Sunday. But rather than playing 10th meter 32 feet into the water below, the train was left. Suspended democracy is the air. It ended up began lately based on the large scale of the word still at the Packers metro station. We are trying to decide how we can bring to the train down in a careful and controlled manner. One official told the Dutch national broadcast news on Monday. The driver, who has not been named, was able to leave the empty train by himself. He was taken to hospital for a checkup and is not believed to have suffered any injury. The sculptor Little what tales in the work of the and Minister or the was arrested in the water at the end of the track in 2002.